So how can you manually change the location of the iPhone? So let me talk about some of the things which you might be interested in. Let's get started. If you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. So when it comes to like the time and your location, you can check out your settings, tap on a general, and either go to the date and time, where you can disable the automatic option and choose the time zone manually, right? So if you want to choose the location manually in that sense, this is where you can find it. It's for your time zone, so it might be useful. But you can also go to the language and region and as well change the region and language of your device manually, depends on how you like it, and that is another way to do it. When it comes to the location which you might be sharing with other people, that is a bit of a different story because it doesn't really work the same way, right? You just cannot like select a different location on a map, but you can go to the privacy and security section within your settings, then proceed to the location services and perhaps decide to stop sharing location with some apps. For example, you might set the Find My app to never access your location, and it will kind of be like frozen, meaning that you will not share your current one and it will just stay that way. So that is something which you could do technically, right? Or it also applies to all of the other apps, depends on what you need to do and how it kind of works on your device. But that is all I wanted to show you. Let me know what you think below. Hit a thumbs up and subscribe for more, and I'll talk to you soon in the next videos as well. So thanks a lot, and I'll see you later.